I like to think that the National Library of Wales boasts one of the best views of any national library, looking out over the sea and the university town of Aberystwyth. It is, of course, a unique place, and it now has a state-of-the-art reading room dedicated to electronic and printed materials, which complements the South non-print reading room and the excellent facilities that we already have there. The aim was to create a reading room where readers could choose how and where they read any of the 5 million titles available to them, the books, the magazines, the journals, at a table, on a sofa, at a computer, in a private reading room, alone or with friends.
Well, we've been very lucky to have such a beautiful room to work with on this project. The North Reading Room has seen many changes over the years, but in order to meet the demands of our current users, we have looked at the room in a new way and divided it up into different zones. There are terminals for people who want to combine reading and surfing, and there's also this lounge area for people who just want to relax. There are 5 soundproof capsules which are ideal for people who want to share information with their friends or colleagues. And of course, one half the room is dedicated to a more traditional way of reading books and newspapers.
There are plenty of terminals here, but with the Wi-Fi I just tend to bring my laptop. And then I can search a whole host of electronic materials such as JSTOR and Encyclopedia Britannica. And of course it's all for free.
The study rooms are a great new addition to the reading rooms of the National Library. It's a place that you can come and do your work in peace and quiet, but it's also an opportunity to come and consult with your friends and peers about the work that you're doing, if you're not sure about something, and you're not disturbing the other readers in the main reading room by doing that. So definitely a brilliant new addition. And by coming here, you not only have a fantastic place to do your work, but you can also ask the National Library staff if you've got any queries about your work. There's lots of expertise in the National Library. If you can't find the book you're looking for, you can go and ask them. You get to know the staff as well and have a good chat with them, and they know your work, they know what you want to do. So that's always an added bonus, I feel.
Os mod i fi gallu un copi o'r darlun yna, neu'r ddau
Gallwn ni ffotocopio chi o'r un, allech chi fynd nôl I gasglu fe ta pryd byddech chi'n barod wedyn.
O, diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
Coming to look at the newspapers and the open shelves, there's a lot of stuff which is useful to general readers of Welsh history in particular. There's a lot of stuff which you can check from the reading rooms about electronic resources, that sort of thing. There's a massive amount of information which is very useful.
Free Wi-Fi coverage means that our readers can access all of our electronic resources and the internet from their laptops for free. Part of our jobs as librarians in the reading room is to help readers find the information they need and also try to make sense of the information they find. We provide one-to-one surgery sessions and also seminars in our new seminar room, which is just alongside the new reading room, to help readers understand the catalogue and our resources for the first time. It's a key part of our plan to provide access to all of our readers, whatever their requirements.
As well as being a really unique place to come and work, what I found is that there are plenty of other things to do as well. You can go down to the cafe and have a break if you want to and have a cup of tea. You can go to one of the numerous exhibitions that are here, or you can even go and have a little look to see what's in the shop. And it's all those things. That's why I really enjoy coming here.